Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to activate voice chat on Roblox. So fi guys, before starting, if new on channel, please subscribe to our channel, like the video. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to click on three dot. Now go to in settings. Also, you need to follow the same steps for the mobile as well. Open a Roblox app and follow the same steps. Now once you are here in the settings, just click on this privacy. So here you can activate your voice chat. Now you have to scroll down and you will see here two options, microphone and camera input. Just enable the first option, use microphone to chat with voice. Just enable this option by tapping on this or first tapping on this enable button and click on enable. And this is how you can enable your voice chat from the privacy. And if you don't see this microphone option, it means whether you are not part of the beta features or you haven't verified your age. Both can be the reason. And once you verify your age, your microphone will be very fully visible here. Just enable the microphone from here in the privacy, and you will get the voice chat. Now open any application that supports microphone and communication, and enable the voice chat in the game as well. Let me show you how can you do that. Let me see if this game supports microphone or not. That you just need to click on or tap on this mic icon over a star side. Click on it, and now you can talk to anyone in the game. As you can see the variation in the game, this is how you can get voice chat on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.